All right, well, welcome to Module 3. I'm really excited about this module in particular. So far, we've done a lot of great stuff, for loops, if statements, arrays, and that's really where a lot of people stop. People who aren't really serious about computer science or really serious about becoming like an excellent programmer. A lot of people who just kind of want to know a little bit to write some basic scripts or kind of help out in their maybe non-computer science careers kind of stop at that point. If you really want to model interesting things or complex objects or systems, object-oriented programming is really essential, and we're going to walk you through that step by step and teach you a lot of great things in this module. In this video, I just basically want to show you how to get this project set up. Pretty simple. You're probably able to do it by yourself at this point, but let's go ahead and get that project set up. So go ahead and open up wherever your code repository is and go into the templates directory, and you're just going to go ahead and you're going to copy the folder name for module 3. So in this case, it's module _3_advanced_OOP for object-oriented programming. Over here in your Eclipse IDE, you're just going to right-click over in that Package Explorer in the white area, click New, Java Project. Okay, and then literally just paste that project name. You should see that it sees the existing source, and click Finish. And go ahead and say, don't create. All right, and you're all set up. We'll see you in the next video.